Okay, I take this opportunity to welcome you all to this new product presentation, which I, I'm hopeful will give us great returns if implemented. After much consideration and research, we as the new product development team have decided to introduce a new product to the market to allow our organization to grow and further expand our market reach. KFC being a large corporation that deals with almost all chicken products needs to diversify and add more products and use it well established market to promote it. A new product that we seek to introduce to the market is raw seasoned chicken meat, where after slaughter, the chicken will be packed, ready to be sold to target customers. The supply chain to ensure that there is a continuous supply of raw seasoned chicken meat at our outlets. Once we start, we have planned to increase the number of suppliers to supply us with live chickens. Before selling on one supplier, it's in our best interest that we have a pool of suppliers who will go through a vetting process to establish who best suits our company mission and vision. The supplier must have good transport system that will guarantee the safety of the birds, live or slaughtered, until they reach the slaughter houses or KFC outlets. That means the transport wagon should be of modern technology. The other criteria that we use to vet our suppliers are the issue of raising chickens, medically important antibiotics. The development team will use already existing slaughterhouses, as we don't expect the demand for raw chickens to be that high at the start. If the demand will rise as expected, we have planned to build new slaughterhouses outside the big cities, towns, densely populated. This is to reduce the cost of transporting live chickens from our suppliers and establish poultry farmers who will mostly reside in these areas. The other reason is most of the people who live outside of towns do not purchase already cooked foods, for this case fried chicken, but prefer cooking for themselves versus uh, for themselves as they believe it's healthier. We intend to equip the new slaughterhouses to be built with modern equipment to ensure the products are high quality. The machines include electric water bath stunners, killer machine, hot water skillers, further pluckers, machine, head puller, and rotary foot. That type of layout to be implemented in our slaughterhouse is the product layout. In this layout, the machine is placed in such a way that the output of one machine becomes the input of the next machine. The reason why we chose this kind of layout is that it's space and resource utilization. The mission of this company is to provide high quality products to our customers all over the world. The new product must follow the same direction, and the development team will ensure the quality, fresh, raw seasoned chicken meat is produced as per customer's need. To make sure this happens, we are committed to working closely with the quality control department. Together with relevant authorities, will set the quality parameters within work within. The department also gathered information from customers using essential tools called Quality Function Development (QFD) to ensure that we are up to date with the needs of our customers. There will also be a random analysis of samples where one product will be removed from production line and its quality evaluated. If shortcomings arise during the process of quality control, the department should shift to addressing and preventing them. This requires determining why quality issues occurred and take steps to remove them. As we seek to introduce this new product into the market, we anticipate to face a lot of competition, both direct and indirect. Direct competitors are those who sell raw seasoned meat, while the indirect are those who sell products like skinless and boneless chicken. To counter the competition, the new product development team have proposed to do with product bundling. Here we offer several products and several services for sale as combined product and service package. One of the proposed products to be used in the bundling of raw chicken is customized cooking oil, which customers use to cook the chicken once they arrive home. Another is the product bundling to be done is one broccoli for every raw chicken purchased. The service to be bundled is the slaughtering of purchased raw chickens into small pieces as per customer's preference. In concluding, the introduction of this new product into the market should not be rushed, and we invite any scrutiny from the board of directors that will help us make sure that this new idea serves the best interests of the company and those of the customers. The time to intervene to roll out the whole project should be well discussed, as the product is already being offered by other